So we have another flight simulator failure. Just turned the computer on last night, and this £100 Corsair M65 Ultra mouse is not working. What I get is, if I turn it on, just the blue light, and actually the colours aren't showing up very well on this camera. That's green, the logo, and that's a blue one at the top. You can reset these by pressing and holding the two buttons here, the left and right, while switching it on. Hold for 5 seconds and then you should get a little flash, but that reset doesn't work. If we quickly plug it in to the laptop, there's a brief recognition, and if we look down here, why is that just scrolling down? I don't know what's going on with that now. Yeah, so it's recognised as a USB root hub, USB 3, if it will focus. And if we just unplug that, you'll see it after a few seconds. It knows it's been unplugged. You'll get the usual bleep. Come on. And I scrolled right to the top again. If we go right back down to the bottom, you can see that. What is wrong with this bloody laptop? You can see it's gone from there, and yeah, we're just stuck with that. I've taken it apart. I have unplugged the battery, just given it a few seconds, and plugged it back in again. Exactly the same. Just stuck with that. The IQ software doesn't recognise it. The wireless dongle that goes with it is recognised and installed, and working perfectly. So we're now going to have to get this sent back through Amazon, as it's only 8 months old. So yeah, if anyone's got any other ideas, or have had these go wrong before, yeah, let me know.